What's up, all my chef and chefettes? It's your boy, Chef Paul. I'm right here again in the Chaney kitchen. You know what I got for you today? I got an old favorite. Yes, an Italian favorite. Say it again, Chaney, they didn't hear you. I have an old favorite, an Italian favorite. Spaghetti. About 3-4 weeks ago, I was in Las Vegas for a sales meeting. And one of my colleagues from the great state of Mississippi, her initials are KJ. Thank you, KJ. She said, Paul, I did spaghetti in the Instant Pot. You did what? She said, I did spaghetti in the Instant Pot. I thought about it. I said, that sounds good. So I said, well, okay, let me put my recipe together and I'm gonna come up with something. So 2 days ago, I FaceTimed my youngest brother, who also lives in Las Vegas. I said, what are you doing? He said, I'm cooking spaghetti. He was cooking it on the stovetop, showed me a picture of it. I said, oh, it looks good. He said, not only does it look good, it tastes good. And I could hear my little niece running around in the background. She's ready to eat, ready to go. So I said, okay, enough is enough. I said, Chaney, sit down, come up with the Chaney recipe. We're going to throw it in the Instant Pot. We're not going to take 30-45 minutes cooking it on the stovetop. We're going to take about 15 minutes cooking it right here in my handy dandy Instant Pot. And you guys know, that Instant Pot is close to my heart. It is. It's close to my heart. I love the Instant Pot. So we're going to throw the ingredients in here and we're going to make it happen. But to get it started, first, we're going to cut the Instant Pot on. We're going to put it on saute. As you can see, we have our 1 pound of ground beef. We have our spaghetti. We have our oil. We got some chopped up green peppers. Woo-wee! We got a little red onion. We got a little kosher salt here. We got some onion powder. And we got a little garlic powder. We also have some spaghetti sauce and 1 cup of water. Those are your ingredients. That's all you need. First you gotta saute your meat first. And when I saute that meat, I'm gonna put the oil in here, I'm gonna put my green peppers, and I'm gonna put my red onion. Woo! Right now, the aroma of the onions and the green peppers are hitting me. I can barely talk. So let's get started right now. All right, all my chef and chefettes. You see, I have my ground beef sauteing. I have my green peppers, my onions. I've included all of the seasonings in here. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this, mixing it up, making sure my ground beef is completely done. After about 5 minutes, then we'll continue with the process. So stay with me, chef and chefettes. We got the all-time favorite, Italian favorite. It's a classic. It's spaghetti. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's been about 5 minutes and we have our meat is completely brown. What we're going to do, we're going to turn this off. We're going to add we're going to add our 1 cup of water. Still, we want to just make sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom, so continuously moving that ground beef around. Oh man, if you were here, woo! The smell of the green peppers, that sweet onion smell, the red onions, oh man. The seasoning, the garlic powder, the onion powder. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add our full jar of our spaghetti sauce. Just getting all of that, making sure we get it in there. The hard part is done, because we're going to let the Instant Pot go to work and do the rest of the work for us. Get all of that. Get that a stir. Make sure we get it all mixed up. go there. Now, easy. Just take your spaghetti. I've already broken it in half so it fits right in. We're going to put our spaghetti in. Our last few pieces. Go ahead and put that in. One thing you don't want to do, you don't want to mix that up. Leave that spaghetti just like it is. Seal that. Yep, make sure it's sealed. And then we're going to cut this on. And we're going to take it up to 8 minutes. And we'll be right back to you. And we're going to have some spaghetti. What I tell you, 15 minutes or less, spaghetti. Oh, you hear it? That means it's starting to work. All right, stay with me now. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's your boy, Chef Paul, right here in the Chaney kitchen. So the Instant Pot finished. I let it cool, then I released all the steam. Got to make sure you do that. Don't not just open up that Instant Pot without getting all that steam. Woo! You'll be in for some trouble. You don't want any trouble. So I released the steam, got it right here in my dish. I got some fresh Parmesan cheese on here. We're going to give it a try. Oh, I can see the onions in there. I can see the green peppers. Remember, when you're eating that spaghetti, got to make sure that that fork turns. Pull that spaghetti up. Oh, man. This is just like my mama used to make back when I was a kid. Oh. It's delicious. The noodles are done. The ground beef, you can taste the flavoring in there, that onion powder, that garlic powder, a little seasoning, salt. I got some of the green onions. I got some of the red, green peppers, I'm sorry, and the red onions. Oh. Mmm. KJ, from Alabama to Mississippi, I thank you. Beef Stew, from Alabama to Las Vegas, I thank you. Remember, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Chaney. I'm on Pinterest as Chef Chaney. And then also, you can also email me at chefchaney1911@gmail.com. So make sure you follow me. And then not only follow me and subscribe to my channel, but pass it on to friends. Somebody right here is going to be coming in from work one evening, want to fix something good and delicious, and want to do it in 15 minutes. What could it be? Nothing like some good old spaghetti. Oh, I think that rhymed. What could it be? I think it's some spaghetti. So, hey, please continue to follow me. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video.